What's going on with this daggone thing? Daggone thing. Give me a second. I gotta pick this mop up. Like I said, nothing to hide. Oh, I wash this every day. I comb it every day. And every day it's a pain in the booty. No way I can keep it out of my eyeballs. Alright. It's getting there. I ain't trying to win no beauty contest anyway. Alright. Shout outs again still. Mr. NBB333, I think. Y'all please don't hate me. I will write y'all's name down so that way I know I ain't messing nothing up. I don't want to mess nothing up. Like my hair here. Oh, my hair. Stupid hair. Okay, dorky day. Alright then. Oh man. What was his name? He does a lot of like interesting things. I'm getting old, everybody. My brain ain't what it used to be. Not like. But he's a pretty cool dude. I like him. I watched him. Something sent me his way to watch him. If I could figure out this old demonic, demonized old crazy things. That's all they are. That's all they are. I know exactly. Well, they're all right. So with false prophets, and nabbit. False prophets and I said prophets, false prophets, and the so-called beast. Well, the Antichrist, the vile one, the mean mad man. We'll see. Anywho, I know exactly who he is. I know exactly where he's at. Now, that'd be the only thing that I keep to myself. Again, I'm not supposed to be known until he makes himself known. And I'm not saying I'm God. I'm not saying I'm Jesus. And I'm not saying I can't find him now, but I can't say that like the second coming or his or the Lord's return or whatever. I'm not son of God. I'm son of man. And man, am I a son of a. Once I figure this cat out, And somebody I love most, and I'd say love, but yeah, that is what I'm here for. Love. But I'm also here for other things. Like fear, anger, wrath. It's all by God. I am my little granddaughter, she said, Peepaw talks weird. And how I talk weird is because I say that I am from the sun, by the sun, for the sun. And by God, that's why I'm here. God has a name. His name is Jealous. And he is a jealous God. Don't worry. I'll be reading the Bible and everything. I know it's, oh no, he's going to go be beating Bibles and preaching and everything. No, I teach. I give you pearls of wisdom and knowledge. I give you the things that nobody else has. You can't live on bread alone. You gotta live on the Word of God as well. Because if you don't, then heaven is not the place for you. And I'll be seeing you then. My brother is the other witness. I am his Holy Spirit. I'm the Spirit of truth. I am all what is the helper, advocate, whatever. I read the New King James Version. I went to Walmart and there it is. You know, I can't find him for nothing. Anywho, I'm not trying to be like it. I'm trying to get to where I see him. Oh man, Night God. That's it. Night God 333. Nice numbers, by the way. Night God, shout out to you, brother. Keep doing your work, baby boy. Don't let them come get you. I dare them to come knock on my door. Because I might not use bad language and cuss and raise the down under. Now, dude, I've had drone, this big old drone come and everything. Come look right for me. I am Revelation 12. I've been looking at a bunch of that. Revelation 12, sign reborn. It's supposed to be Jupiter going through Virgo. Probably, yeah. I mean, on a celestial scale. There you go. But it's all in Revelation 12. Woman, clothed with the sun, moon under her feet. A garland of 12 stars on her head. And she's carrying with child, going through labor pains and stuff. All my stuff's right here. I'll get it in a sec. Trying to find this fella. Well, anywho, right. In this moment, my old lady knows her. She loves her to death. But in this moment, I don't know what it is. It's a nice house, 420 though. But in this moment, oh Lord, that's probably the most blasphemous song ever been made. But man, I love it. I feel like I ain't gonna lie. I feel like when she's saying, you know, you have mercy on me, and oh Lord, help me. When I hear it, I'm hearing somebody asking for guidance, for help, knowledge, and wisdom. Gee golly willikers, Batman, I didn't understand that one bit. Well, I'm just getting started. But I will. That's not a vow. It's a promise. A promise I can make. A promise that I can keep. I ain't gonna make that promise until the time it is, but Night God 333, yeah, that's who it is. But anyway, you keep on doing your thing, brother. Mr. MB333, I think. He does a lot of the like people send him videos and stuff. awesome, killer. There was one time that he was, whether he took the picture or somebody else took the picture, but it was somebody that, pardon me, like I said, this is what you get, man. I don't do no stopping. No, you get it, you got it. That's it. I ain't trying to pull no wool over no eyes or nothing like that, right? All right, so Mr. MB333. I want to say he's from Arizona or something like that. I'm not too sure. I love to talk to y'all. I mean, for real. Anytime that y'all want to jihad and get on here and yada yada yadas, we'll figure it out. I'm all about it, y'all. This book right here, the five thing, whatever. Yeah, it's full. Got crystals in here. I for some reason got into crystals, gemstones. Chakras. I'm into chakras, which is part of gemstones too. I got all that. Man, got all of them, but I mean, I do my research. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like I wake up and I'm like, I feel like I want to be somebody today. No, it's been 39 years of me trying to figure that out. It took 40 years. In 2020, I told my brother. No, the 2019, I told my brother and I told my old lady. I said, y'all don't know what 2020 is bringing, but it's bringing something. I don't know good or bad. I saw the COVID thing. Everybody had, I don't know, it was weird. Their eyes looked weird. It's like red looking, as it does. I hate people's got it. I watched my girl about die from it for like, scoot to the back son. Feel like you're in my face. 3 feet. Anyway, stop paying attention. I'm a knucklehead. Anywho, yeah, I about watched her die almost a month from that crap. Yeah, ain't no joke. I can't get it. I don't know why. My other brother and everybody's like, how can you not get it? Everybody can get it. By me, it's a literal biblical plague. No matter if it's made by man or made by nature, it is a plague. We got 10 of them, y'all. Get ready for it. That is what I'm here for. To prepare y'all. That's what I'm here for. I'm a hoping. I'm praying. I'm begging. Somebody get it. And like I said, the one subscriber I got, love you. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you. I'm glad somebody don't think I'm just a fool. There's some moron going around screaming, I'm Jesus coming back, y'all. I don't want praise. I don't want nobody to worship at my feet. It says it. The ones that says it. If you want to know, there it is. It's all about the book. I got all the sins. My zodiac sign. Man, I got all kinds of things written down, but I'm trying to find the. I can't remember when it was. The Mr. MBB or Mr. MB. You know what? I bet I'm saying your name wrong, brother, and I apologize fully. I will tonight. I will tonight. It's not a promise, it's a guarantee. Wait a minute. Yeah, guarantee. A guaranteed promise. That I will have y'all's name. Not real names, but y'all's name. Miss Sapphire. Okay, well, I feel like a dummy now. I should be having this stuff. It's another thing I deal with too. I was just seeing and hearing stuff. Yeah, I try to get all this stuff straightened out and everything, but anywho, the fiery red dragon in the Bible is Draco, the astrological sign, zodiac sign. Draco, as a matter of fact, see, I do everything. Right there you go. Boom shakalaka. But I can't show you all kinds of things, because then I just might as well just be handing myself over to the ones that are going to be coming knocking on my door. And if they do, I'm going to be recording it. Bet that. I ain't scared. I mean, I ain't too thrilled about it, but I ain't scared. I know what I'm here for. I was here for that last time. I'm here for it again. Sacrifice. But I get to live a little bit longer. And I have to take my brother with me. But think, there's going to be way more of us than what you think. What are you doing, Gabby? It's my doggy, Gabby. Hey, Gabby, baby. You go outside? She wants to go outside. Un momento, mi amigos. Be right back. Better not go that road now. I mean it. And yes, I know y'all done heard my country bumpkin self. Yep, I'm as country as fried chicken, I guess you can say, steak, whatever. I'm as country as a tree in a forest. All right. Actually, you know what? Be better off to do this. I don't know if anybody knows what numerology and stuff is, but I basically got a book of it. I've got the CERN machine. I've done this numerology. Alex Jones. I will say Alex Jones. I've done him. Now I ain't gonna lie. At first I thought he was a false prophet, but then I got to talk. Then I got to like listening to him, talk to him, listen to me. I got to listening to him and studying him. And trying to get a read on him. I think he's alright. Gabby! Get up here! Now! Come on! Dad! Come on. You know better than be at that road. You know better than that. Go lay down. Oh, but anywho. Yeah. Alex. Yeah. Old Mr. Alex Jones. Yeah, I think he's, he's got a bunch of people. He's got a lot of stuff right. I mean, come on, y'all. He went and snuck into the daggone Bohemian Grove. Politicians and all them, they worship a wooden owl. I mean, what's the point of that? A wooden owl. Yeah, they might as well just go worship Al Bundy. At least he's a historical figure. But this stuff's been done back, man. I'm going to let it all be known. I really am. Freemasons, all of them. They're all of it. All out in Hollywood, in California. That's all what they do. To get rich and famous, these bigwigs go, hey, you want to be rich and famous? And then they go, I've been singing all my life. Yeah. Be like, sign your name right here. It's like, but you have to become a Mason. You have to be, and all that junk. And I know all about it. My family's most in it. I read the what is that? Solomon's. It's got a lot to do about Solomon and his treasure and stuff in the Masonic Bible. I've read it. I ain't read it front and back, but read it enough. Alright, so numerology is the pseudo-scientific belief in a divine or mystical relationship between a number and one or more coinciding events. It is also the study of the numerical value of the letters in words, names, and ideas. It is often associated with the paranormal alongside astrology and similar to divinatory arts. Yeah, like I said, bear with me. I don't know how to pronounce a lot of stuff, but I'll do my best. Claudius Ptolemy was a mathematician, astronomer, astrologer, geographer, and music theorist who wrote about a dozen scientific treatises, or I guess treaties, whatever, 3 of which were of importance to later Byzantine, Islamic, and Western European science. He was born 100 AD in the 2nd century. Ptolemy made contributions to astronomy, mathematics, geography, musical theory, and optics. He compiled a star catalog and the earliest surviving table of a trigonometric function and established mathematically that an object and its mirror image must make equal angles to a mirror. So what do? Look in the mirror and go, what are you looking at backwards? Wait, you can't look at something backwards. Alright, numerology. If you really want to know all that, I'll touch bases on it, but basically you need to go see I need to write y'all's names down. Man alive, are you serious? Y'all, I apologize. I apologize to the ones I'm trying to figure out the name of. Because I ain't trying to get no recognition or glory or nothing. I'm just trying to let y'all know I support them. I like what they do. I love what they do. They're doing it right. They do the right thing. They're doing it for a good cause. They're doing it for the right cause. I know I keep looking around and everything, but trust me, if you had to deal with what I had to deal with, you'd be looking around too. But I go open this door though. Hey. I said, hold up. Okay, so there's Sapphire Spider Oracle. I don't know her real name, but that's her name. Sapphire Spider Oracle. Oh, here we go. Vanessa Grubel. She does destiny numbers and breaks it down. You know, past 2 weeks she done, or past week or two, I think, maybe about 2 weeks. She done destiny number 11, or destiny number 9, and destiny number 11. That's my birthday, September 11th. Yeah, I basically went and got legally drunk. Legally could buy alcohol. 21 years old, turned 21. Yeah, all right to them. But mine is set for a reason. I didn't want to go all crazy listic about it and stuff, but Omega Vision pretty much says it all, really. Alright, so that's basically what numerology is about. Claudius Ptolemy is the one that made it up. He made math. He figured out numbers, and then he figured out the constellations and the stars and everything. Yeah, and mapped it out and figured out, well, this person born on this, blah, 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 blah. That's where all destiny number is your name, first, middle, and last. And life path is your birthday, month, day, and year. 1 through 9. 1 through 9. No zeros, because can't get nothing out of, can't get something out of nothing. I even done Alexis. Yep, I sure enough did. The numerology destiny number is the sum total of one's date of birth and therefore, oh, that's right, therefore unique for every person. It is commonly called the lucky number. It is calculated by adding all the numerals in one's birth date and bring it down to one digit. If you want to know that stuff, I mean, probably eventually I'll get to it. Like right now, I'm just not going. It ain't like I'm never going, but I just ain't going to do it right now because, well, for one, man alive, Vanessa Gerber, pretty sure I said her name right. Honey, I apologize if you watch this, and please don't hate me if I can't get the name right. Again, I'll write it down. Yeah, Vanessa Grubel. Gruebel. She's awesome. She's killer. She knows what she's doing. I got much faith and belief in her because I know what she's doing. She does it very well. So keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Because trust me, it's exactly what it is. Alright, so where's it at? I think I can't remember how long ago. Once I find it, no, I got too much junk here. Got it written everywhere, man. But anywho, sir. There we go. I didn't have a dream, but I mean, my eyes wide awake. It was about as real as they could get. Might be in this. So I was watching TV, no big deal. Wasn't really thinking of nothing, trying to figure out anything. Or whatever. And then all of a sudden, something just popped in my head, and about almost literally I can see it. Yeah, here we go. I can see it with my own two eyes, just about. And it looked like I didn't see myself, but I saw everything else. And it was Yellowstone Park, where the geyser and all that junk is, where everybody goes and be like, oh, cool, until they get burnt. Alright, so here, as you can tell and see, maybe you can be able to see it. I had my buddy Roberto. He was telling me about the Quran and stuff, and the Muhammad's supposed to be the last prophet, and yada yada. Anyway, he was just trying to educate me a little bit more. But he said, of course, it's not. What's that word? Notarized. There you go. It ain't notarized. Maybe I should start doing that. See, 6/1/2021. That's when I had this wrote down. So I was like up, looking down. I mean, I can see everything. It looked just like what you see on TV. The weird color pond. What happened with the earthquake and the water. I didn't see the water, but I can like literally see a big crack where the roads was, and then like a little creek kind of deal, but it wasn't no water in it. It looked like it just went straight down into, well, the bottom of the world. But I saw mountains, is what I wrote down. I started writing stuff down. I don't write nothing down now. I figured, ain't nobody going to believe me. What's the point in it? That's why I'm doing this. Hopefully somebody will get it. Alright, so there wasn't no people. The big city, it had like long road and stuff. Like I said, you can look it up. You'll see it. The crack's probably still there. But that's what I saw. It looked like water was coming up, and it looked like a big lake. Really, what it looked like. It wasn't discolored or nothing like that pond thing, but it had some kind of like something on the outer side, the ring of it. It was all beautiful. The whole thing was beautiful. So when I see stuff, vision, I guess you can say, excuse me, it almost kind of looks like a cartoon, but real life. Like, there's the big picture, but yet there's something right here that's like, hey, what are you doing? I'm like, what is that? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I see everything else, but there's just that one thing there that I'm like, what is that? That big crack down the middle of the place was it. Mountains, trees, a river or creek. Like I said, I didn't see no water, but I seen mountains, trees. A giant crack down the middle as far as I could see. I mean, it was just... And then I saw it, and then it was like on the road, where the road is, it went, like the road was missing. Water, like it was a flood, basically. I put earthquake. Okay, well, hold up. A big city, buildings half collapsed, no people. I see no people there, no cars, nothing like that. Streets cracked, broken up. Boom. Yeah, can't really see all that good right there, but there you go. So then I seen like maybe an earthquake. As well as question marks. I don't know. Just saying, I didn't see no earthquake or nothing like that, but I'm just guessing, assuming it's a big crack in the middle of the world, so I figured, it wasn't a booty call. So big body of water, like I said, lake right there. I'm guessing it might be that big volcano is basically what it is. So, alright. Big pond, yeah. Then I went like up, like I don't know how to explain it. Like I floated up, but it was like instant. Like I saw it and it was like I was up. Where's that? All right, so then I seen like the sun. Looked like the sun was going like this, like trying to shoo something away. But it was like not a flare really, but it looked like it was kind of waving, doing this. But it was like shooting out. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So I'm thinking, solar flare was, I see the whole world as like I'm the sun seeing the earth. Like that's the way it looked. Like I was the sun looking at the whole earth, and like I see everything. Yellowstone volcano. I wrote all the main stuff down. This is actual scientific stuff right here. 445 earthquakes, June 2021. July 8th, 2021. 43 by 28 mile section of the western United States. Biggest 3 eruptions went off some 2.1 million to 1.3 million and 640,000 years ago. That's a long time. So I don't understand why I saw that. All the solar flares and stuff, I've got it written down. Wrote a bunch of stuff down. September 2017, first X-class event recorded. July 3rd, significant flare was detected on the sun. Yeah, basically that right there. Let's see here. Alright, so let me put this up. I try to be organized as best I can to somebody that's like, what are you talking about? That way I can be like, I'll tell you exactly what I'm talking about once I find it. But anyway, that's pretty much all I'm about to be about the Bible. The Holy Bible, the Word, the bread of life, the Word of the Almighty, our Creator, my Father, our Father, and we're His children, the children of light. Alright, let's see. It's all this. That's stuff from the Bible. Got a bunch of birth dates and a bunch of all kinds of things. See, I tried to show where, like, you got the Jewish calendar and, well, our calendar, the English calendar. But I tried to make it the words like to show where John the Baptist was born and where Jesus was born. Everybody says Christmas and stuff. Nah, it ain't Christmas. It's the Hebrew Bible, or the come on, brain, the date, I feel like a fool now. Truthfully, don't care, but calendar. Jeez, brain. Maybe I need to take this down. It's pulling my brain out. Okay. So, like I said, I got all kinds of things written down. There is Leo, Mother Earth. Okay, like I said, I got it all written down. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. And I don't use nothing except my common sense and whatever I hear and see. And then basically my intuition, but mainly I look on Google, the internet, you know. Basically what I look for is YouTube, Google. Yeah. So there's more to that one. Alright, so Revelation 12 is, hold up, when I start running my mouth here, let me show you some pictures. These ain't doctored. The only time they really been messed with is when, like, I want to, like, define, have some definition to something. I'll do like black and white, or I'll mess with the colors and stuff, but I don't put nothing in, I don't take nothing out. Same thing with this. So, everything is alright, so take his name out, because I can't have, if I show it, I can't do it. But he'll be here soon enough. He's well on his way. Where's the 12? Oh, 6. And I'm also getting ready to crack these seals and let loose these angels. Some done been done. Again, I'm not done yet. Here, yeah. Alright. So, Revelation 12. Now a great sign appeared in heaven, a woman clothed with the sun, with the moon under her feet, and on her head a garland of 12 stars. Now, Then, being with child, she cried out in labor and in pain to give birth. All right, so now a great sign appeared in heaven, a woman clothed with the sun. September 11th, 1980, at 3:30 p.m. I came screaming in this world like a male child. I'm human. Don't get twisted. I'll bleed. I'll die. Be sacrificed, but yeah. So it's Virgo. Virgo is the woman. Astrological sign Virgo. At 3:30 p.m. I guess the sun would be on her and the moon underneath the feet. Now, on her head, a garland of 12 stars. And then you're about to break up the white sage. Keep on with it. I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but I'm by myself except for her. Anyway, I think from the way the stars lined up and everything, Leo is 9. Leo is 9 stars. And 10, 11, 12 is from her crown, her third eye, and their shoulder. And basically her head. That what makes the garland of 12 stars on her head. Stars. And another sign appeared in heaven. Behold, I took this picture. Me and my old lady. Which, matter of fact, you see that? I got it all. Hold up before I go with anything else there. Northern sky. See what we got going on here. Bring this up a little bit more. That's what I need to do. Get this set up better. I'd love to do a podcast and stuff like that, kind of like a Joe Rogan deal, but broke folk can't do too much stuff, so it's blurry. All right, so Virgo is down at the bottom. There's Virgo. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stars in Virgo. Alright, so from Virgo's I can have it. From Virgo's, where's she at? There she is. Actually, you know what? Do this. Where's she at? So, yeah, Virgo. Am I holding that up right? No, I'm not. Let's see if I figure this out. Ain't got nothing but time anyways. Alright, so Virgo, they're being seen, you see, and you can count them. I know you can pause and everything on here, but right through there, but mainly right here, right where an arm, I guess, would be. These are her legs. This is her arm. Well, this is her neck and head. 1, 2, 3. Now from her shoulder up is 3. Now Leo, the lion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. Garland of 12 stars on her head. Thought I had a bigger picture. Apparently I don't. But anywho, I try to get as much as proof. Might as well just say it like it. As much proof as I can get, as much as I can say that, hey, this is what this is why it is. I don't even know why I got them pictures. I had a bigger picture though. I thought I did. But anyway, so underneath that one is the fiery red dragon. Behold, another sign in heaven. A fiery red dragon. Alright, so this one is a black and white picture. I'll put them up. I will put them up. Pretty sure you can put up pictures, but anyway. That's our feet. November. Hold on. November. Really? Well, scratch that one. But anyway, this is a black and white picture. This one, not doctored, other than black and white. And then this one's not black and white. This one's a blowed up picture of it. But as you can tell, wherever it went. I know I just don't do it no justice, but you'll see it on the pictures. That's nobody standing there. There was nobody else there except me and my old lady in the back of my dad's yard. And I've set that fire out there for us so we didn't freeze. Because at the time, we didn't have nowhere to stay except for a car. And it was cold. And my daddy, being the awesome person he is, like, oh, I want my house back. But that's the beauty of suffering, is to endure. I'm tired of enduring. But anywho, I'm a crybaby. But you will not hear me sing the blues. Alright, so fire red dragon right there. Is Draco. And it's Latin. Everywhere I went has been Latin, Greek, and something else. Like Jewish folklore and stuff. Draco, sign, the dragon. There's 22 stars in it, I guess. I don't know. I ain't really dig into that one. But Draco is one of the largest constellations in the sky, located in the northern celestial hemisphere. The constellation represents Ladon, the dragon. That guarded the gardens of the Hesperides. In Greek mythology, the name Draco means the dragon in Latin. Now, with the Hesperides and all that stuff, I think that's meaning like the Garden of Eden and stuff. But like I said, I looked it up. I don't know if I wrote it down or not, but I looked it up. Yeah, there we go. So, origin myth of Parthenos, virgin in Greek, which explains how the actual constellation Virgo came to be. Like I said, you see it. The sun transits this area, yabba 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 yabba. So, complete opposite of Virgo, Pisces, Leo, Aquarius. Virgo, 13 stars, Leo's blah 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 blah. Like I said, I'll put all this stuff on there. I'm not a big reader, which is weird because I write all this crap down and I read it and stuff. But anywho, we'll just throw them away. They ain't worth a junk. Alright, so which one is this? Let's see this. My uncle. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I'll just wait and put these pictures up there and everything. Like I said, I ain't got nothing to do but this right here. So congratulations. You get to have all the fun. Get ready. Alright, so other than that, I'm going to put this stuff on first. Get it all set up. Thought I had bigger ones. Apparently not. Like I said, I'll go through all my stuff and do it. I've been wanting to do this anyway. I just procrastinate, and I'm lazy as junk too. But come on. There you go. One more time. Alright. So boiled down to it is I'm the spirit of truth. I'm the helper. You know what? Read it for yourself. But I'll help you and I'll interpret it. If you need help, I'm not above it. I don't care. Hit me up. Here I am. Don't care. I mean, I care about everyone and care about everything. And I truly care about this, for sure. Because I never saw this coming, that's for sure. It's definitely a thief into the night like me. But, other than that, yep. So, other than that, skis, I'll try to gather up stuff and put it on there for you. I greatly appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Love each and every one of you, and I keep each and every one of you because that's what I'm here for. But don't do nothing that you ain't supposed to, or I get to come see you and say, hey, you don't want that. Believe that. So, now I'm just going to sit and wait for somebody to knock on my door. Men in Black or whatever. I saw it, man, I'm telling you, just too much stuff to say right now, but we're almost at an hour, and I'm just going to diddle dackle around for about 5 minutes. This is a cane I found. Yeah, I mean, I fixed it up and stuff, but with jewels. But basically the stick is what it is. But it's a shepherd's crook. Look it up, shepherd's crook. For like when shepherds go out and they most time they're like a hook, and they'll get it and put it around the sheep's neck, like baby sheep or sheep and stuff. Put it around the neck and bring it back to the flock. All I know is it wasn't at my feet when I walked by, and then when I walked back from where I walked from, which was at a lumber yard I used to work at, there it was, plain as day. Don't know how. All kinds of heavy equipment's run over it 50,000 times. I know I'd done it at least 10 times that day. Before it was right before lunch. Just laying there in the dirt. Pretty much saying like, "Hey, pick me up, dummy." So I picked it up, washed it off, and gave thanks. I ain't finished it. I truthfully don't even know what finishing is, but it's mine. I do what I want with it. I'm gonna try to make it the best I can, though. But other than that, yep. And on that note, at 57:27, I'm gonna go open this door. Yeah. Right on. But, man, you can believe me or not, I hate it if you don't. But if you don't, you're gonna hate me worse than that. To the moon, Alice! From the sun. Yeah, I joke and pickle up. I'm not arrogant. I'm not conceited. I'm confident. I'm arrogant. I guess to an extent, yeah. Alright, other than that, I'm going to try to figure out how to do these pictures and stuff. But until next time, folks. Love you, bye. See you on the next time.